Hi, I'm Dr. Dale Sutherland. I specialize in helping people who have complicated or unresolved thyroid conditions. A common question I'm asked is, I'm really moody and depressed. Can this be a symptom of low thyroid? Absolutely. Your thyroid works directly with your GI system, and most of our practice members have GI problems, whether they know it or not. Serotonin, which is a neurotransmitter for sleep, motivation, drive, and happiness, is made mostly in your gut. We see that these same members respond well to our program when we detox and clean up the gut and therefore restore the function of serotonin along with other hormones that help bring resolution to these symptoms. To learn more about how I can help you, please contact my office today. Thank you.